Hey guys, my name is That Quiet Kid, and today we are going to do a room called Road, which is inspired by a real world pen testing engagement, and it is made by StillNoob. So let's dive right into it. I've started this machine, and this is the IP, and let's connect to the Tryhackme VPN first. Command is open VPN and your VPN file. You will see initialization sequence completed, which means you have connected to the Tryhackme VPN. Let's run the nmap scan. I will use dash a option, which means aggressive scan, which includes running default scripts, version detection, and OS detection. Everything. It's an aggressive scan, and we will give it the speed of T4, and I will type the IP now. So let's see what we have here. Sky Courier, track order, search. Okay, contact us page. Let's run GoBuster to see if any uh, directories exist or not. So I guess we'll use GoBuster, specifying we are looking for directory and pasting the URL and using the word list, directory list 23 medium.txt, and let me see. I'm using Vapilizer. It is a Firefox extension which tells us about the technology used by the web application. It has an operating system Ubuntu, and Apache is the web server. So I guess we will look for extensions including uh, .php, .txt, and specifying the threads to 40. The nmap scan has completed, and it shows us that two ports are open, SSH and HTTP port. So only two ports are open. So I guess we have to enumerate this web only. Okay, track order, contact. Okay, it has a login. So let's go right here. Try using admin. Okay, it doesn't work, but it didn't show us incorrect password or something like that. So let's try admin password here. Still nothing. Okay, we can register. So let's register an account. Let that email be quietKid@gmail.com, and let the password be quietKid. Password, confirm password, which is quietKid, and let's register. Okay, we have to specify mobile number as well. So let's use 1122234455, and let's register. Your account has been created. So let's log in using quietKid@gmail.com, and the password was quietKid. Okay, let's see if GoBuster has found anything. It has found two directories, assets and v2. Okay, we are in. So let me see. Let's see the assets directory slash assets. Okay, image. Okay, let's see if there a file upload functionality is there, so maybe we can upload a file and try to run it from here. Let's say some it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's see index.php, index.php hash, which means it's doesn't go anywhere, doesn't go anywhere, doesn't go anywhere, doesn't go anywhere. Reset user, it redirects us to reset user.php. It doesn't go anywhere, doesn't go anywhere. Okay, let's see the copyright of 2021. Okay, it doesn't go anywhere, doesn't go. So actually only reset user works here, I guess. Okay, we can reset the password of a user. So let's use burp suite. Okay, we can reset the password. Let's click on profile. Okay, so I guess we can upload a profile picture from here, because I was looking at it and I saw this picture and I thought maybe we can upload something and then we can run it to get a reverse shell, because this is the same picture right here. So we can upload a picture, but right now only admin has the access to this feature. Please drop an email to admin@sky.tryhackme in case of any changes. I guess this is the admin username, user email. So I guess we had a, I guess, reset user functionality as well. So let's see if we can change the user. We can't. So let's intercept the request, forward it. Let's see. Let's try the new password be admin and submit. My burp suite is running. Let's go to burp suite, proxy, post request, and the username is this. Let's try to change the username to admin@sky.tryhackme, and let's forward this request and let's see what we have. Password changed. Okay, taking you back. So let's forward this request as well. Okay, so let's turn off the burp proxy here and sign out and try to sign in using the admin@sky.tryhackme, and password was admin that we changed, and let's sign in. Okay, so now we are running as admin, and let's now run our reverse shell. Going to profile, browse, and let's see. I have a reverse shell here which is reverse shell.php, and let's see if we can upload it or not. Edit profile, image saved. Okay, let's refresh this page. The image was saved, but we don't see any image here. Okay, let's see background. Nothing here. The profile pic has not changed. So let's intercept this request through burp. Send this request again. Turn on burp suite and click on edit profile. So it has intercepted this request. This is our PHP reverse shell. Okay, let's start our netcat listener on 4444. Let's see if my IP is, if config, my IP is 10.8.130.2, which is the IP I have placed in the PHP reverse shell. You can simply Google any PHP reverse shell and you get this shell. I guess it's also in PHP locate PHP reverse. So we have PHP reverse shell in checklist as well. So you can also easily find it from Google. Simply search PHP reverse shell. So let's forward it to repeater and send this request. Let's see. Image has been saved. Okay. We don't see anything here. Okay, so v2 slash profile images. So this is the directory. It was a comment and we see the directory where we have to find now. So I guess let's turn off burp suite and let's go to the directory. Directory is disabled. I guess our was reverse shell dot php. Let's run this and see if we have got a shell. Yes, we have got a shell. So let's start our interactive shell using Python. Python 3-c import pty semicolon pty dot spawn slash bin slash bash. We're spawning a interactive tty. Yes, now what we have to do, we have to, yes, export term equals to xterm. Okay, control z stty raw dash echo, foreground this and enter reset. So now we can clear screen as well, and we can clear screen and we can tab autocomplete pw, and it will we can get the option that we can run pwd, which is print working directory. We are in root. Okay, so I've got a shell. I guess we don't need burp suite anymore, so let's close this burp suite. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Okay, as usual, obtain the user and root flag. So let's get into the home directory. Let's see which user is running. We see web developer and let's cd into it. And we have a user.txt, so let's cat out this user.txt and we can cat it out as www data. We are not even web developer, but we can see the user flag. So let's paste it. Okay, so let's clear the screen. Okay, now let's see what ports are running. I guess ss.tulnp is the command. Let's see. So we have port 53 DNS running, port 22 SSH, 33036 I have no idea, 9000 I have no idea, 3306 is MySQL, and 27017 is, I guess, MongoDB. Let's see. Port used for MongoDB. I guess it's 27. Yes, 27017 is used for MongoDB and 330 is for MySQL. I'm quite sure because MySQL is, running on three. Okay, so we have MongoDB and SQL running. So let's try to connect to MySQL first. I guess specifying -u and trying null authentication. Access denied for user www dash data at the red localhost. We cannot using password. No, we cannot connect. So let's try MongoDB. I guess the syntax is Mongo. Okay, we have connected. Let's see show databases. We have admin, we have backup, we have config, we have local. So let's use backup. Let's see, switch to, let's show the collection now. Okay, collections, I guess, show collections. We have users, so I guess db dot user dot find is the command to see what's inside this. Enter it. So we have feb month profit, and we have a password for web developer. So I guess let's see, can we switch user to, let's exit out of it. Okay, let's switch user to developer. Password is this. Okay, we are now web developer. So let's clear the screen out and let's go to cd slash temp, and this is the part where we'll run lin piece to see what we can do. Okay, I don't think we need this go buster anymore. I'm a web developer, and lin piece in my privilege escalation awesome suite. Cd into lin piece. The command is let's run a web server python dash m http dot server port 80. Okay, if I can type. Okay, it's port 80. Yes, our http server is running, and we are in the directory in which we want. Let's use curl to get 10.8.130.2 is my IP. Port 80 is running using Python, and I want to run linpiece.sh, and let's pipe it over to bash so that it downloads and runs. Okay, okay, our linpiece is running. Okay, we have sudo as red, which is 95% a privilege escalation vector. You can see it right here, red, yellow. Okay, we are looking for something that stands out. Okay, this environment key plus preload, we will look into this. Okay, we have something called admin identities group sudo unix group admin configuration, which is hack tricks. So let's search what it is. Copy link. Okay, prompt for password. Interesting groups. So linux privilege escalation, this is what we are looking for. Okay, so find all SUID binaries and check if there is the binary ps exec dash permission. Let's copy this and run it. Okay, I cannot copy it. Let's refresh it. Okay, for some reason this page isn't working. Wait. Okay, now it's working. So let's copy it and see if we have ps exec. Let's run. Yeah, I guess we have pk exec. We have pk exec in the SUID binaries. If you find that the binary pk exec is a SUID binary and you belong to sudo or admin, we belong to sudo or admin, you could probably execute binaries as sudo using pk exec. This is because this page is okay. This is because typically those are the users inside the polkit policy. This policy basically identifies which groups you can use pkexec. Check it with this. Copy this command. If this page works, let's run it. Okay, we are admin identities which we already found using linpiece. So I guess we can run. So to become root, we have to execute this pkexec bin slash sh. Okay, let's. If this shell will work. Okay, it is asking for a password. I guess we have a password which was okay. Actually, we don't. Oh, I forgot to copy the password, so I guess we will have to get a shell again. nc-nvlp 4444. Okay, so let's run this again, which was rivshell.php. Okay, have we got a shell? Let's simply go to Mongo and what, start working. I guess it is working. Show DBS switch. Show it was not used DBS, it was show databases, and we have admin. Let's use the backup one. Admin backup config locals. We have switch. Let's show collections, and I guess we would you it was db dot find dot user. I guess this command prints out the db.find.user is not a function. Let's google it. MongoDB cheat sheet. Okay, if only I copied the password before changing. MongoDB cheat sheet. Show databases, use database, show collection, create, read. This is the command db dot what we have to read, which is database dot user dot find. Okay, I used the wrong syntax. This is the password. Let me paste it in my clipboard. Let me paste it here. Echo. Okay, but we have got what we need, so let's exit out of it. Okay, let's sudo, oh no, not sudo, it's switch user to web developer. Password was in my clipboard, paste it, and we have logged in as, let me see, id web developer. So now let's get a good shell. Python 3 dash import pty dot spawn bin slash bash. Okay, it is, let's, can we clear the screen? No, we cannot. Let's export term equals to xterm. I think now we should be able to clear the screen. Yes, we can clear the screen. Okay, so where am I? It is asking for password. Let's type in the password. This incident has been reported. Error executing command as another user not authorized. So let's see what we have here, if it works. Okay, if you try to execute pk exec and you get this error, yes, we get this error executing command as another user not authorized. It's not because you don't have the permission, but because you aren't connected without a GUI, which is graphical user interface. We are not connected without a graphical user interface, and there is a workaround for the issue here. You need two different sessions. So first one is echo $$. So let's do it. Echo $$. We have 1145, and next step. Okay, step 3 in session 1. Step 2 is this pk tty agent dash dash process, and the pid of session 1, which was 1145. Okay, we already have another shell running because I forgot the password. It was 1145 the PID. Okay, so next step is pk exec bin bash, and step 4 is you will be asked in this session to authenticate. So we know the password. Okay, let's run this. Yes, it has asked for password. Let's paste it. Okay, authentication complete. We are root. Let's ID. Yes, we are root. Let's cat out the root or txt, and this is the root flag. We're not in. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I have found both the flags, and it was an interesting room. Credit goes to StillNoob for making this room. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.